Hi everyone, this is Kristen with the Tech Reviewer. Looking for a super convenient on-the-go power top-up for your iPhone 12 series phone without the hassles of cables and huge unsightly power banks? You might want to check out this sleek new MagSafe Power Bank from ZEERA. It attaches magnetically to your MagSafe case or directly to the back of your Series 12 iPhone, and it charges at 7.5 watts. It also comes with a nice little folding stand and an outstanding magnetic charging cable. Let's take a closer look. Looking at the contents of the box, first of all, really attractive box, love their graphics. Opening it up, we have our MagSafe Power Bank, really cute little guy here, very slim and small and lightweight, extremely sleek. Just a very attractive little product. Then going down inside, again, they really went all out on their packaging here, really cute. We have our little folding stand. This is meant to attach onto the back of the MagSafe battery. Folds flat, but when you unfold it, it's really quite cute. You have a little adhesive pad here, which you use to stick it onto the back of the battery, and then it'll fold flat when not in use. And then going down here to the bottom, we have one of the two magnetic cables it's possible to get this with. This one comes standard. You can also opt for a second magnetic cable. So the deal with these guys is they've got a series of small magnets that run around the length of the cable and allow it to be coiled up in a really nice, neat way. That's basically what they are. They're just cool. If you like magnets, and I do, you're going to like them. They're going to make your desktop a lot neater. Other than that, they're just nice cables. They support fast charging. The USB-A to USB-C is what comes included by default. You can also opt to get a USB-C to USB-C option as well. Taking a closer look at the ZEERA MagSafe Power Bank, as you can see, this is very slim and lightweight. Quite a nice little device. It's got a 3,000 milliamp hour capacity, so it is not large. It's only going to charge an iPhone 12 or 12 Pro to about 50%. If you're using an iPhone 12 mini, you might get up to, say, 75–85%. It's obviously going to be less for the larger iPhone 12 Pro Max. But the focus here is on convenience and small size, not on capacity, and I think that's a good call from ZEERA. This is great if you just need a quick little top-up, and it's so slim and lightweight, very easy to throw in your bag or put in your pocket. So looking at our controls, these are very simple. We have a single button for on and off, so press 1 for on and twice for off. Looking at our little LEDs, each one of these is 25% of capacity, so we've got all 4 lit up here. We're at 100%. And then you have a USB-C input and output here. It's possible to also use this for wired charging for something which doesn't use wireless charging, as long as you have the appropriate USB-C charging cable. The ZEERA MagSafe Power Bank attaches on perfectly to any MagSafe compatible case or onto the back of your iPhone 12 series phone. Everything works really well here, as you can see. Really doesn't add a whole lot of thickness to your phone, and you don't have the irritation of having to deal with cables or anything. Got a nice tight connection. This is going to charge at 7.5 watts, so not 15 watts. It's just basically your Qi wireless charging speed. Does get a little bit hot during charging, no question about that, but it's really super convenient. Stays on there very nicely when you're using your phone. And overall, I think it's just a great addition to the iPhone 12 series user experience. Installing the optional Magic Kickstand charging stand onto the MagSafe Power Bank is quite easy. You just need to expose the adhesive, orient it correctly, and press it on. Once installed, it's quite easy to use, and I think it's a nice little add-on to the MagSafe Power Bank. So you can use this in either portrait or landscape mode because it does rotate. That's a nice feature that I was unaware of before I got it. It wasn't very clear on their website, but you can rotate it. So basically you just fold it out into a particular configuration. It does take a little bit of trial and error to get something that's stable. and then you can use it either with your naked iPhone or with a MagSafe compatible case. Although I will say I think it works a little bit better with your naked iPhone or a lightweight case than a heavier MagSafe compatible case, because a heavy case is going to put more strain on the stand, and the stand is not the strongest. As long as you have it positioned correctly, it's going to be reasonably stable, but if you wiggle it a bit, it will fall over. Still though, really kind of a cool thing. It's nice to have a stand attached to your battery. Looking here in portrait mode, I think that's overall a little bit more stable than the landscape mode. In my experience, this works particularly well with the MagSafe clear case that ZEERA sells. I think partly because it's a very lightweight case and also because it has a really strong MagSafe ring. Attaching on there, super strong. Everything works really well. As you can see, the Magic Kickstand does add a little bit of thickness as well as a little bit of weight to the MagSafe Power Bank. However, overall, I think we still have quite a slim profile, and this does add fun as well as utility to the MagSafe Power Bank as a whole. So overall, just a really nice product. Not a huge capacity, but super convenient. It's going to slide easily in and out of your pockets or handbags. You can even use it for a wireless charger because it will charge your phone wireless charging itself, and then when you're ready to go out, you could just unplug it and then put it in your pocket or handbag. The folks at ZEERA Wireless are clearly really into magnets. I love the fact that it also comes with these cool magnetic charging cables. Those are just a really nice addition. Definitely neaten up your desk or your nightstand. And overall, just a really nice product from ZEERA Wireless. Lots to love here. I'll put the links below where you can find out more about this. Really nice product for charging up your iPhone on the go. Again, we've been looking at the ZEERA MagSafe Power Bank. It's available directly from ZEERA and is priced at $49.99 with just the USB-A to USB-C magnetic cable included, or $59.99 with the USB-C to USB-C magnetic cable included as well. You can save 10% on your purchase if you use the coupon code in the description below. It's currently the Tech Reviewer, but these things sometimes change over time, so be sure to double check it if you're interested in purchasing this product. Many thanks to the kind folks at ZEERA for sending me out this sample to review. If you have any questions, please feel free to put them in the comments section below, and I'll do my best to answer them. And please do consider subscribing to my channel. Again, this is Kristen with the Tech Reviewer. Thanks so much for watching, and have a wonderful day.